Hi, my name's Nia Witts and I work for the Corporate Service Support Team at Ceredigion County Council. We have a great opportunity this year for an apprentice to join our team on a 12-month contract, and I want to tell you a little bit about the role. We are a fairly large service that predominantly work in smaller teams across the council, and the main purpose of our duties is to provide admin support to various services. As you can imagine, this means we get to work with lots of different people and teams at all levels. Part of your day-to-day duties could involve formatting and distributing correspondence to members of the public, potentially even service users, answering telephone calls, taking minutes at internal meetings, extracting and inputting information, and a wide variety of other tasks. During your apprenticeship, you will work alongside experienced members of the team, so you will be supported and mentored every step of the way. You will learn how to use various systems used by the council, such as Microsoft Teams, Click, and individual databases used by either highways, social services, or even legal. You will also study for a Level 2 qualification in Business and Administration, which will be completed online. You will have a thorough induction, learning about the council and learning about the team and how your role fits in. Once we get to know you, your strengths and your interests, we can look at what areas of support you can specialise in. Regardless of which service you will be supporting, you will need good IT skills, communication and organisational skills, and must take pride in offering a consistently high level of customer service. Members of Corporate Service Support are based all around Ceredigion. However, currently we are working from home, so you will need a good connection of broadband and have a space to work from home. We are looking for someone who wants to work as part of a busy team, is a good communicator both in writing and over the phone, also someone who takes pride in their work, as well as attention to detail. Like I have already said, we'd like somebody to have good IT skills, as this is a key element of the role, especially in Microsoft Office, as well as someone who is willing to learn new systems. You may also be expected to provide a minute-taking service for a variety of internal meetings, to include issuing invites, issuing minutes and monitoring actions. There are a lot of benefits for you. You will gain some really good admin experience, you get to learn what it's like to work as part of a big organisation and get to learn about different areas of the council. And you will get some key skills that you can use moving forward, whatever you decide to do in the future. For example, working as part of a team, excellent organisational skills and some minute-taking skills. So if this sounds of interest to you, please apply online. We have the details in the job description, and if you have any questions, please don't be afraid to give us a call or drop us an email. Good luck with your application, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.